Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Home Queen Cooking. Today we are making keto and gluten-free almond buns, which are great for people on any kind of diet. What you're gonna need for this meal are 2 eggs, almonds, baking soda, coconut flour, psyllium husks, yogurt, and some salt. First, grind all of the almonds. This is one of the easiest recipes you will ever come across because after grinding almonds, all you gotta do is beat some eggs and add all of the rest of the ingredients, mix together for a little while and let it sit for 5 minutes. Divide your dough into 5 different pieces and lay it on a baking paper. Bake your bagels for 10 minutes on 180 Celsius temperature or 400 Fahrenheit. And after 10 minutes, lower the temperature to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for another 20 minutes. These bagels will last for 6, even 7 days. So they're great if you don't have much time to make your own bagels or bread or something like that every day. If you enjoyed this video, click a like on it. If you still haven't, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on Monday. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe.